The city works hard to maintain its native creek elements while keeping areas safe for residents.
It is the first time that we have done a project based on information from our citywide creek study. This project is a combination of critical issues in the creek where erosion had overturned public infrastructure, and then the hike and bike trail was at the top of about a 25-foot cliff, and the erosion was pushing it down at the bottom, and the bank was just slowly eroding down into the creek.
This trail repair project is along Dominion Creek, just east of Preston Road and north of El Dorado Parkway. The issues were found during the engineering department's citywide creek study that started in 2019.
Not only did we do those two critical projects, but up and down a stretch of creek, we were able to identify where future critical projects would occur. And so we tagged those to fix as well. And that has kind of allowed us an opportunity to spend a little bit of money now to save a whole lot in the future.
The repairs included installing grade controls, large baskets of rock to shore up the creek's banks and bed to prevent erosion. This green reinforcement mat was also installed along the other parts of the creek to hold the bank in place. And the update to the hike and bike trail presented the opportunity to work with the Parks and Recreation Department.
They have a future project where they're coming in and widening an old HOA trail from about 8 feet to 12 feet.
Engineering was able to include updating the sidewalk to 12 feet in this area.
We saved a little money on the future parks project, and we spent a little extra on ours, but it was the balance was a savings for the city.
The city also keeps homeowners informed about the project and what's involved.
We've had support from the HOAs around us, from reaching out, understanding the project, and also seeing the cost savings in the future. And understanding that their houses and public infrastructure around it will be protected.
This work helped the city of Frisco win the American Public Works Association Project of the Year award for the Texas chapter. Cost savings and its success during a storm helped this project stand out amongst other submissions.
During construction, we had a 25-year storm event or greater occur, and we were about halfway through construction, and most of the project held up just fine, even though it wasn't completed.
The repairs and updates cost just under $2 million and was paid for with stormwater utility and parks fees.
We estimate with the preventative maintenance work that we did to prevent future critical projects from happening that we saved about $3 to $4 million.
The project is expected to be complete this fall.